Introduction to Conditional Acceptance and Debt Resolution. In this section, you will explore the process of using a conditional acceptance as a tool for resolving financial disputes, particularly in cases involving unpaid wages or unfulfilled contractual obligations. A conditional acceptance is a commercial affidavit that allows you to agree to an offer or position while attaching specific conditions. By invoking this strategy, you make it clear that you do not have a controversy, which could prevent legal escalation. Understanding this process is crucial for protecting your rights in situations where conventional dispute resolution methods are ineffective. 1. The basis of conditional acceptance: no controversy. When you send a conditional acceptance, you are asserting that there is no controversy regarding the matter at hand. You conditionally accept the offer, meaning you are not rejecting the other party's claim but are placing certain conditions upon it. This declaration serves as a reminder that without a controversy, no legal action can be initiated. Courts typically only handle cases that involve a dispute, and if no such dispute exists, you effectively eliminate the need for judicial intervention. Footnote: the conditional acceptance method helps clarify that no controversy exists, thereby making the dispute non-justiciable under court rules. 2. Using the postal rule to your advantage. A key component of the conditional acceptance process is the postal rule, which establishes a binding agreement when a letter is sent via certified mail, return receipt requested. Once the recipient signs the green card, indicating receipt of your letter, a contract is formed. The postal rule ensures that the acceptance of the contract is legally acknowledged unless the recipient challenges it through a sworn affidavit. This method prevents the other party from denying receipt or attempting to evade responsibility. Footnote: the postal rule creates a legal presumption of acceptance once certified mail is signed, making it difficult for the recipient to dispute receipt. 3. Defining the parties and their roles. In the context of a conditional acceptance, it is vital to define the roles of the parties involved. As the beneficiary of the agreement, you make it clear that you expect the other party, such as a company or individual, to fulfill their contractual obligations. By addressing the company's principals or agents as trustees, you are outlining their fiduciary responsibility to act in accordance with the terms of the contract. This distinction is important because it establishes the legal framework for enforcing the agreement. Footnote: identifying the other party as a trustee formalizes their fiduciary duties, ensuring that they are legally bound to act according to the contract terms. 4. The role of witnesses in the dispute resolution process. Another strategic element in the conditional acceptance process is the use of witnesses. When you send copies of your conditional acceptance to various public officials, such as state attorneys general or other relevant authorities, you strengthen your position. These officials act as witnesses who can be called upon if the matter escalates to a court or grand jury. By recruiting these officials as witnesses, you effectively build a paper trail that supports your claim. Footnote: witnesses, including public officials, help substantiate the legal standing of your conditional acceptance and can be called upon to verify the process. 5. Maxims of law and their role in conditional acceptance. Maxims of law play a pivotal role in the commercial affidavit and conditional acceptance process. These legal principles govern actions related to commercial contracts and debt resolution. One of the key maxims is that an unrebutted affidavit stands as truth in commerce. This means that if the recipient fails to respond to your conditional acceptance, it is considered valid, and the agreement is legally binding. In addition, the debtor has 3 options: rebut the claim, resolve the matter before a jury, or fulfill the terms of the agreement. Footnote: maxims of law, particularly the principle of unrebutted affidavits, reinforce the legitimacy of your conditional acceptance by establishing clear legal expectations. 6. Practical application and the power of conditional acceptance. The application of conditional acceptance in debt disputes, especially in scenarios where parties are reluctant to meet their obligations, proves to be highly effective. This strategy has been used to recover unpaid wages and resolve contractual breaches. By following a structured approach, including the use of certified mail, gathering witness testimony, and adhering to legal maxims, you place yourself in a position to successfully enforce your claims without the need for lengthy legal battles. Footnote: Conditional acceptance is a powerful tool for individuals seeking to enforce their rights without resorting to prolonged legal proceedings. 7. Conclusion: Leveraging sovereign rights and legal strategies. In conclusion, the process of using conditional acceptance and related legal tools, such as the Postal rule and witness involvement, enables individuals to protect their financial interests effectively. By asserting your sovereignty and understanding commercial law maxims, you can navigate disputes more effectively. These strategies empower you to hold others accountable for their obligations while avoiding unnecessary court involvement, thus ensuring that you retain control over your financial and contractual dealings. Footnote: Sovereign rights and legal strategies, when properly applied, allow individuals to assert control over their contractual relationships and enforce their claims efficiently.